Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to import a PNG to Google Sheets. Let's begin. First of all, open your Google Sheets, then go to Insert tab and see this image. Insert image over cells or insert image in cell as you wish. Then click Browse and insert it your PNG image. Wait 5 seconds. Resize it. And click the three dot, put image in selected cell. Then now see this, put image selected cell, middle. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.